Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to check Instagram version on Android, and now let's dive right in. Now to check Instagram version on Android, first open up your settings app on your phone, and after that guys you need to go to the apps section of your settings. So scroll down until you can find the apps, tap on that, and over here tap on the app management, and on this interface guys let's let it load. Search for Instagram, and over here guys on the middle of the screen you can see there is the Instagram of saying version 324.0.0.27.50, and there guys this is the way how you can check your Instagram version on your Android phone. But if you found this outdated on your phone, then you can just go to the Play Store on your phone and search for Instagram over here. And if your Instagram is outdated on your phone, then there will be an update button available for you where there is the open for me. Simply tap on that update button and then your Instagram will be updated to the latest version. And then guys, this is how to check your Instagram version on Android. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.